On Tuesday, March 30, 2021, Mr. Robert Fowler, 50 years old, mechanic of a Portmore address and employed to Bowler's Motoring World, was charged with the murder of Khanice Jackson, accounts clerk of a St. Catherine address and formerly employed to Polyfoods Limited located in Crossroads.
Viewers, subscribers, just vibes radio. There you have it, my people. The police this afternoon charged 50-year-old mechanic Robert Fowler for what happened to Khanice Jackson. They are also saying after the post-mortem is finished, they will actually consider if further charges be laid against him. My people, you get me? In my previous video, me tell you or me give my opinion. A lot of persons didn't like it because they were saying that I was actually being judgmental, and it hasn't been confirmed that that person was the one who did that to Khanice. My viewers, subscribers, and me also explain why that was my opinion, or why I had a strong feeling that this man was the person who did that. Because based off of how the man attack, you get me, you can know when somebody guilty, you get me. And this is an opinion, this is not factual, no, my people, because somebody can just talk and most of them guilty, you get me. But based off of the story this man here come with, nothing no add up, you get me. And the mere fact him there try to reach out to more than one people, but that's not what we're here to talk about, you get me. Me even talk about the swift action that the JCF team took, you get me, and in leading up to the charge today, my people. And me have to commend the JCF for them work, you get me. Like, me have to commend them, my people, you get me. And even though this will not actually bring back Khanice, you get me, our memories live on, but we have to give the JCF them some level of props for their urgency in the matter, you get me. Even though we have previous cases which it took like weeks to solve, but you have to understand, you get me, with this one it was very straightforward. You know, the moment the police they pull resources, they could tell that this man here was the main suspect in what happened, people, you get me. And while outrage is still in the nation and people are saying that, yo, police will let him out, put out him picture so we can actually deal with him, jungle justice way, my people, you get me. While me also disturbed and hurt about the matter, you get me, let's not get too emotional and carried away and just let the police them do them work, you get me. Remember, you know, my people, as you hear the commissioner of police said, no, you see it, Fitzbailey, the postmortem, they will actually consider if more charges should be laid, because this man already had a life in a prison, you know, I can't tell you. This man here, I don't want it so but him dead in a prison, you get me. And worse if other charges are laid against him, people, because you see with situations like this, even though persons are hungered about the situation, you get me, which they have a right to, you see, because this was a gruesome hack. Like, my viewers, subscribers, there was no excuse for this, you see it. Me nah go take the excuse say a man probably mentally unstable or whatever. Anybody, what kind of excuse people want to come in? Because people always come with excuse when they come on to them things here now, you see it. And me now come here and talk because if you guys don't know, Khanice's boyfriend has warned her on numerous occasions that he don't trust the driver, which is a mechanic, you see me. And if you saw the leaked text message, you get me, which you can see on your screen, sorry, you know, he was basically saying that, yo, me not trust the youth there, you know, careful, you go run him, man, you don't know me, I look out for you. And basically that him I say, you know, but you know, of course, when you trust somebody, and I think that is the biggest thing. Just me imagine Khanice's last word before she passed away, my viewers, subscribers, because it seems as if she had this trust for this mechanic, this youth here, this man here, should say. I don't even know if classify him as, you get me. While her family member and her boyfriend was not feeling the energy of the man there, you know, Khanice was saying, yo, like, him get me to work on time, and you know how the thing go, you know, and she was thinking that the boyfriend was insecure, overprotective, but it turned out that my viewer subscribers, but it's just a sad case, you know, and people are still hurt and grieve about the matter, as you know what really are going on with the pepper spray thing, you know, with the whole how the method of how you will get this this weapon. You know, it's actually a non-lethal weapon. You know, I don't think anybody should go to the hassle. They are saying that you need to obtain a license, and based off of the license them I talk about, it's come like it's a firearm license. Then basically I talk about, say probably will give them 500 reasons why you need a pepper spray, and me can tell you, like, a machete is much more effective, you know, and can actually lead up to killing somebody, you know. As far as I know, you know, I cannot recall any cases where a pepper spray had caused any death whatsoever. What I do know is that it can neutralize the enemy for a few minutes, you know, once you spray it at them eye, but me don't know about the part of killing them people, so I don't know. And they're saying that people who are looking to use it wrongfully and lawfully, we know, you know, that's a go in it, my people. You see it? But if they are considering that, they should also consider the use of machete and them big blow or rambo knife there. You see it? Because it's easy to get access to them there, and those are lethal weapons, meaning it can kill somebody with ease. Times and times again we see man chop up man with machete. It was Jamaica and a farmer. You see, but yet still we don't hear nothing about it. We don't hear them say, yo, them want, you know, make you have to obtain a certain form of license if you get machete. Them don't say nothing about it, and people get chop up wally. You see, but them make it look like say all a Jamaica farmer. I don't know, my people. But just glad say, yo, the police them finally charge this man here. You see it, people are say, yo, jungle justice, but we don't want him dead so quick. We don't want him dead so quick. You see me? If they are prison, if you get beaten till him fool him, man, for rape him, if you go through a whole heap of things, them people like them enough for dead too fast. Them if dead too fast, man, them for realize what them do and regret it. You see me, my people? You see how the pressure lick him, make him all confess. You know, he also took the police them on multiple locations, to numerous locations, as to where he wanted to take the girl, you get me? But because those areas were crowded, he couldn't get to do it. And based off of what me I hear, you get me, Khanice lost her life the same morning she went out for work around 7:30 a.m. there about. You know, him never wait or hesitate. My viewer subscribers, it just hard-hurting. You get my people, but no, I'm know still no, me can say, you know, God not sleeping, you see it, and my people, you know. But it's a good look for the police them, you know, good work. Make this man here suffer for him though. I'm glad to say him confess. You see it, my people, and some of them money in a business because him a 15, probably I say him live all a fame life already, you know, you see it. But my viewers, subscribers, what do you think? You know, them finally charge this man here by the name of Robert Fowler for what happened to Khanice. Comment your opinion in the comment section below now. Until next time, just vibes, I'm out.